Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot in your BIOS to fix Battlefield RedSec errors like TPM 2.0 not enabled or secure boot required. Let's get started. Step 1. Boot into Advanced Startup. Open your Start menu, click on Settings. On the left side, go to Windows Update, click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and open Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will restart and boot into a special blue menu. Step 2. Enter UEFI firmware settings. Once you're on the blue screen, click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Choose UEFI firmware settings, then click Restart. Your computer will now boot directly into the BIOS or UEFI setup. Step 3. Enable TPM 2.0. Now you're inside your BIOS. Depending on your motherboard brand, this section may look a little different. Here's what you should do. On ASUS motherboards, like mine, go to the Advanced tab and select Trusted Computing. On MSI motherboards, go to Settings, Security, Trusted Computing. On Gigabyte motherboards, go to Peripherals, Trusted Computing. On ASRock motherboards, go to Advanced CPU Configuration, Trusted Computing. Once you're there, look for TPM 2.0. On Intel systems, it might be labeled as PTT, Platform Trust Technology. On AMD systems, it might show as FTPM, Firmware TPM. Make sure that the TPM or Security Device Support option is set to Enabled. Step 4. Enable Secure Boot. Next, we'll enable Secure Boot. On ASUS motherboards, go to the Boot tab, Secure Boot. On MSI motherboards, go to Settings, Advanced, Windows OS Configuration, Secure Boot. On Gigabyte motherboards, open Boot, Secure Boot. On ASRock motherboards, go to Boot, Secure Boot Configuration. Once you find it, make sure Secure Boot is enabled. If you see an OS type option, set it to Windows UEFI mode. This ensures your BIOS works correctly with modern Windows versions. Step 5. After enabling both settings, go to the Exit tab. Select Save Changes and Reset, or press F10 on most systems. Confirm by selecting Yes. Your PC will now restart, and both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot will be enabled. Now, open Battlefield RedSec again. The TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot requirements are met, so the game should launch without any more errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.